FPJ's Batang Quiapo, of Coco Martin has surpassed the 1 million mark in terms of online viewership, and here's what he said about this. In a previous article, ABS-CBN's hit primetime series, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, has achieved 1,004,554 na peak concurrent viewers on Kapamilya Online Live on YouTube. This was announced and confirmed by Dreamscape Entertainment, and it was the episode where Tanggol and Ramon finally met and became of their real relationship as father and son. In the said episode, Tanggol, Coco Martin, David, Nucoy De Leon, Rigor, John Estrada, and Ramon, Christopher De Leon, had a face-off. That was also the fourth night in a row that the series has reached the 800,000 mark for online viewers. It had a total of more than 1,051,266 views, an all-time high in peak accumulated concurrent viewers from Facebook and YouTube. Recently, the director of the series, the primetime king Coco Martin, spoke about the success. In his statement, he expressed how grateful he is and his team for the record-breaking viewership. According to him, the viewers waited a long time for Ramon and Tanggol to finally meet. The turnout was his way of delivering a memorable and remarkable end for the book one of Tanggol's story. He said based on the report, "Kumbaga, minarkahan ko talaga, sabi ko sa pagtatapos ng 2 taon ng Batang Quiapo, gusto ko remarkable yun. Hindi makakalimutan ng mga tao, kaya sinarado ko ang book isa." According to him, everyone worked hard for it, and the hard work they put in the series gave them a beautiful result. As they opened the second book of the series, he started excited and thrilled as he had a lot in his mind on how to tie the stories of each character to each other. He is excited to share stories, and he is more excited in bringing these stories to the viewers.